Hello, good morning, everybody. Today is 12th of May. So today I'd like us to start off with the Euro USD. We have it here. So I'd like us to see exactly what we expect to be happening on this instrument. So as I mentioned some few days ago, the price is somehow within a range. Let me draw it. We have a support here, and then we have a resistance there. So you can see from 28th of April until now, the price is very much inside some range, not going above this level here and not going below this level here. The only time the price attempted to break above was this zone here. So we had a sell there, we had a support, we had a resistance, a sell, and then the lower side we have a buy, and we have a buy somewhere here. So if the price can go down, if the price can move down and touch this level here, this support, then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. So we just want to see what happens. We are looking forward for the price to attempt to going down to these two lines here so that we pick a buy position. Our expectation is that if we buy it from this point, the price should continue up back to this point here. So there is nothing much to be said on this chart except for the fact that the price is indeed consolidating. You can see that clearly. The price is within a range. This is the upper line for the range is 1.05945. Then the lower range is 1.04845. So if the price touches the lower one, we look for a buy. If the price touches the upper one, we look for a sell. The next chart which I want us to have a look at is the GBP USD. So this is in an active downtrend. We have a very good downtrend. We have a support here. We have a very good support there, and then we have a resistance. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance there, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance. Then we had a support there. Following the fact that the price broke below this level, we expect it to come back up to this point here so that we pick a sell position. We are expecting sellers to continue to push price even lower. So ideally, we are approaching a very good support on the monthly chart here. So this may be a very good place to turn around from, or if the price can break below it, then that may be a good place to look for a sell from. So if the price does not break below this line, as you can see in the monthly chart, if the price does not clearly break below this point, then this will act as a good place to look for a buy from. So if you can buy it there, expect buyers to push price back to the upper side, and if the price closes below it, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from. As it is now, that remains to be a good place to be looking for a buy from. And the next instrument I want us to look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen, so far we were expecting buyers to be in full control. We had a level here which was broken last month. This was a very good resistance level. Very good resistance level. The price ascended beyond it, and then we have another level here. So we expected that this month the price may likely continue up to this point here and even break beyond it. So nothing much has happened. We are instead consolidating. The price is within a range, so this may give us a good place to look for a sell from. This may give us an ideal place to look for a sell position from. If you sell it, if you see any sell position, you may want to sell it back to this point, or if the price gives you a buy signal where the price is now, then you're supposed to pick a buy position up to this resistance level. This is our 134.700. So either the price may continue up or the price may pull back down and touch this level here. So the next instrument is the Brent oil. The Brent oil, so far we've talked much about it in the recent past. We've said that we still do expect price to correct itself to the lower side before eventually heading to the upper side. So we still expect that the price may pull back up to this point here, bounce off from it, then head straight to the upper side, or the price may break above, the price may pull back to this point here, then head upwards up to this resistance level, or the price may close beyond this level. This is a significant level. The price may close above this line. This is 115.863. If the price breaks above it, then that will mean that we So as I was saying, on this chart, on the SP500, we are in a very good downtrend. The price is somehow correcting itself massively. So we don't expect price to go below the previous year's opening price, which is somewhere here. We don't expect price to go below that point, which means if the price can come back and touch it, then this will give us a good place to look for a buy from. But as it is now, we are still looking for buy positions, despite the fact that the price is pulling back to the lower side. If the price gets to this point, then that will be a good place to look for a buy position from. In the meantime, you may look for more sell orders. Expect price to continue to sell off, at least up to that point here. So that will bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.